It's that time once again for The Law and You. We're joined today by the area's premier attorneys. We have Harry McGrath and Greg Fellerman with us. Thanks, guys, for coming in.
I think everyone's wondering where Eddie's at. He's been gone.
He's busy.
He's been all over. He's been in Miami working on a case. He's going back down to New Orleans.
He's a fun guy.
He's busy. Busy man.
Oh, well, he needs to get back. There's lots of cases to deal with, including maybe this one. Let's take a look at this question. It's coming from Paul in Berwick. Paul says, I was walking into a grocery store and tripped and fell on the entrance rug going into the store. I broke my wrist. The rug was bunched up and I didn't see it. The store says it's not their fault. I actually can picture this in my head.
Yep.
I know exactly what he's talking about. So what advice do you have for him?
Well, you know, these can be difficult cases. It's really going to depend on whether or not the rug that you fell on was something that the grocery store knew was a problem, or in the alternative, if it's something that had been bunched up for several days and then there's some evidence to prove that, because grocery stores are going to have a little bit of flexibility with respect to how they maintain those kind of mats. But if it's something that they knew about, or if it's a situation where there may be surveillance or photos of this rug being crumpled up for several days, you may be able to proceed, but you never want to take them at their word. They could tell you at any moment, oh no, this is not our responsibility. You need an attorney to give you advice on that.
Yeah, and you know, Harry and I actually worked on a couple cases like this together, if you remember. And you know, the video was very helpful. And the other thing too is sometimes those rugs aren't owned by the store. Sometimes they use a secondary company. So you got to find out all that stuff too. Like, so Harry's right. In these situations, you need to get the lawyers involved early. You need to send the spoliation letters saying, hey, keep your video evidence, all your witness statements, your sweep logs, all that stuff that would help prove your case, because at the end of the day, it's up to us to prove your case for you. We got to get the evidence, so that's how you handle those cases.
That's right.
All right, sounds like a case there. Give them a call so they can help you out, or you can find them online. And don't forget, results always matters with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath. Submit your questions at pahomepage.com or give the hotline a call.